Welcome back everyone to another tutorial for the Windrose game. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can turn off blood and wound within this game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up Windrose on your device, and once you are taken into the main menu, go ahead and click on Settings directly underneath the play button. From here, go into the video settings at the top, and now you will need to scroll all the way down until you see Advanced Graphics. Within this section, you will see the blood wound effect as well. By default, this is set to on, so if you wish to turn this off, click on the off button. Then make sure to apply your changes by clicking on apply or pressing the enter key. After this, your settings have been applied. You can now go back and click on the play button, and you will notice that the blood and wound feature has been turned off. If you wish to turn it back once again, just follow the same steps. Go back to settings, and from video, scroll all the way down and use the blood wound effect toggle to turn this on or off. So there you have it. That is how easy it is to turn off blood and wound within the Windrose game. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you again in the next one.